everybody, my name is Nicole for those who don't know me, and today, as you see by the title, I was requested to do this video of how I maintain and stretch out my pixie cut hairstyle and not to flat iron my hair. So basically I'm going to show you what I do at night to maintain it, so in the morning I don't have to do any flat ironing or none of that, because I try to stretch my styles out for about a week, and it's almost been a week, and I just do this maintenance every night or every other night without the hold and spray though, without this. So I don't use this all the time at night or in the morning. So basically I'm just going to show you what I do, how I maintain my pixie cut style so it can stretch for a while until it's time for me to wash my hair or go to the stylist again. So if you guys want to see how I maintain my pixie cut style, keep watching.
I was so tired, I was just ready to go to bed. I'm using Nairobi, my holy grail, and a, what do you call those combs with the pointed end? Y'all know. And just basically touching up my little waves on each side, and just taking a comb and just fixing it. Rat tail comb, there you go. And I'm showing y'all the back. It's not gonna be like that. I'm just putting a little bit in the back just so when I tie my hair up, it'll look presentable, because I'm in that growing stage of growing out my hair, but I'm still going to be relaxed. So it's a struggle at this stage. Like, I'm so used to cutting it down to a fade. Now I'm using Got to Be Glue spray just to hold it down a little bit, because I'm so used to it being really flat. And take the right tail comb and just fix it. My little baby hairs, not really baby hairs, but baby hairs. Take a bobby pin, and the longest part of my hair that's on the side, I just finger a little bit. And then a little bit of Got to Be Glue spray. Got it in my eye though, so it's cool. And you want to take a wrap scarf that you use to wrap your hair with. That's how y'all be seeing like the imprint of in the front of my head, because when I go to sleep on my face, yeah, it's like mesh, so the imprint shows. And I'm going to take some Cream of Nature leave-in and spray a little bit at the top of my head, and take my scarf and go over that just to make sure everything's secure overnight. Even though I don't sleep well at all, literally at all. Then this is the next morning, just taking everything down, making sure everything's alright. I'm just going to take the bobby pin out. And then just fluff my hair out a little bit, just to get it how I like it. Then I'm going to take this Morocco oil and just spray a little bit around. Everything I'm mentioning is going to be down in the description box as well, so don't worry. And that's basically it. I usually stretch this out for about a week, so thank y'all for watching.